As of August 2025, Cash App cards are fully compatible with Apple Pay for contactless payments. Both physical and virtual Cash App debit cards can be added to Apple Wallet. You'll need a compatible device: iPhone 6 or later, Apple Watch Series 1 or later, or iPad with Touch ID or Face ID. You also need iOS 12.0 or later, an active verified Cash App account, and an Apple ID signed into iCloud. There are two primary methods to add your Cash App card: through the Apple Wallet app or directly through the Cash App. Once added, you can use your Cash App card through Apple Pay for secure contactless payments at any supported merchant. There are two main ways to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay. You can use the Apple Wallet app directly or add it through the Cash App itself. For the Apple Wallet method, start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. Look for the plus button in the upper right corner and tap it. Next, select Debit or Credit Card from the options. You can either use your camera to scan your Cash App card or enter the card details manually. Enter your card's expiration date and CVV security code, accept the terms and conditions, then complete the verification process. The Cash App method is even simpler. Open your Cash App, tap the Cash Card tab at the bottom, then look for the Add to Apple Pay option. Simply follow the prompts that appear. This method automatically pulls your card information from Cash App, making the process faster and more convenient. Both methods require authentication for security. You can use Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode to verify your identity. The verification process is usually instant. Cash App systems automatically verify most cards immediately. In rare cases, you may receive an SMS verification code on your registered phone number.